Okay, hello everyone. This is day 2 of our trip in Japan and it's still raining, which sucks. And we're now heading to 7-Eleven to grab some food and coffee. Where are you going, Nika? Where are we going today?
Harajuku.
We're going to Harajuku. And where else?
And Skytree.
And Skytree later in the afternoon. I don't know. We're probably gonna have lunch at Harajuku and then just see what Skytree is. Found my coffee. It's like 10 degrees and they wanna get iced coffee. We made it to Harajuku after a really crap train. We made it. We're gonna get crepes now. What you want? Your order.
Number
24? Okay. So we got
number 24. Kawaii!
Oh, it's a nice one.
So I go for
Arigato. Yay! You wanna eat it? Yeah. A tent? Go on the other side.
So this is what I got. There is banana, strawberry, chocolate sauce topping, what do you call it, and cream.
Whipped cream. Is it cream or just whipped cream?
Whipped cream.
Whipped cream? Okay, taste this.
Okay.
Oishi? Oishi
It's so
desu?
soft.
But is it good
There's
though?
ice cream.
Is it good?
Well, I think it's good. Like it's sweet. Like it's sweet.
Okay, my turn. I'm hungry. That's good. Should get one more for you.
Weirdo. I didn't even take a photo. So we need to get another one.
We're now going to the L Cafe.
So soft. Wanna pass? Oh my gosh, that looks like a monkey.
Is it real or animatronics?
Is it glitching? Ooh.
You're so tiny.
What's that sound?
It's their beak.
Turn his head around. That's so scary. Look at those eyes.
Stop staring at myself.
You look like
Not at the front. See?
How do I know? It's perfect. It's like 360. It's the smallest stage. Look at that. It just moves weirdly. Nickname Teen. Teen.
Parents.
I'm scared. Which is he has one eye.
One eye.
Look at that. I'm sorry.
Okay, stop.
I'm gonna touch you now. Oh. No. No.
Doesn't want to be touched.
Oh.
Oop. Just pooped.
I make that.
You make owls poop?
Yeah. They seem like robots.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Are you a robot? Oh. They speak the same.
They have merch here too. Now merch. Oh my god. Really hope so.
What's from here?
Look at
Money. This is the life.
At the Starbucks for lunch. This is Shibuya Crossing. That was fun. Looks so good.
I want to go picture.
Oh, sorry. Jade, mix.
Mix.
Natapon ko pero kung alam dito alam. Pwede? I see Hachiko. Where is it? Where's Hachiko? What
What's
does
on
it say?
it?
I don't know. We're just gonna head home because everyone's tired and wet. We wanna get changed. Hello, so we're gonna head out. It's 7 p.m. I don't have a watch. It's 7 p.m. Around 7 p.m. I think. And we're gonna head out or just around the place. Around the place because we all fell asleep. Oh, this is the first time watching me wear glasses. Not really, but for the past 2 days. Because I slept and had to take off my contacts. So we're gonna head out maybe to do some arcades or go to a pachinko, and then And that's it. We're just gonna walk around. Do you guys have umbrellas?
Oh, outside. Thank you.
Okay. Bye. So we're out now. Let's cross. We're out. We're just gonna go through past 7-Eleven again and probably cross the road to where Starbucks were from yesterday. And then I don't know, I'll probably start navigating to the arcade soon. Okay, so we made it across the road and we're going to Pachinko. And apparently the road that we take when we go to Starbucks is like longer because we have to go around there and all the way over there, whereas what we took, we just go across there, and like Starbucks literally outside. So we're going here now, and I don't think I can film it because this is a like gambling area. I don't know. Will Lyra be allowed in? Find out in the next 2 seconds. Here it is. Oh, sorry, sumimasen. Hi. Cup noodles. That way, that way. Sabi ko sa'yo, that way.
I told you! I told you! I told you!
Ayan o, kuha. Angat na. Ah! Isa pa, bilis. Nauuto ko siya. You wanna try? No. You film me then. Nag-jingle na siya. Kuha na yan. Oh my god. Go. It's so close. It's literally just there.
Oh my gosh, how?
She's about to get it. Just push it, push it. You just have to push it.
It's gonna get
Do the
stuck.
limit. Push it that way then. Mina. Oh, now it's further. Okay, I'm just gonna have fun and stop filming now.
When the snow falls outside, you can hold